In this video, I will share with you how to add new sections with different types and also how to add elements to design your pages in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. And next to the website or next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. Now let's start with how to create a blank section. Between any two sections, you will see this add section. Click on it. Now you can select your new section type. You can generate a section using AI. You can add a blank section. Let's go with it. This is how to add a blank section in Hostinger website builder. Here you can adjust the new section height. Now let's see how to add another types of sections. Let's undo this section and hit this add section button again. You can create a blog section like this. This is a grid of your latest blog posts. You can create an online store section to show all of your store products or a specific single product like this one. Let's undo this action. Click again on add section to see the other remaining section types. You can add an about section, a services section, product categories. You can create a contact form section like this one. Or a subscribe form new section. Say hi to your new subscribers in minutes. Start sending emails. This is a new service from Hostinger. They are promoting it inside here. You can even add a map location new section. You can add testimonials. You can add projects, a resume section, images, a video section. Then replace those videos with your own ones. You can even add an Instagram feed section, social icons like these ones, or a menu or like a restaurant menu section. This is an FAQ section. This is the footer section. Now let's add a blank section to see how to add new elements in your new blank section. From here, click on this add element icon. Text is the first element you can add. Just drag and drop it anywhere on your new section. This is a title. You can use this element to create section titles and then adjust the section height from here. Let's undo this action. You can even add a button like this one. You can make it bigger, adjust the button size. Click on this edit button to edit the button text. You can select to link to a page of your website, to an external address, a specific section on your website, your email address, phone number, or a file download. Let's pick a page. Now select the page you want to link to. Let's link to this about page. Now let's preview this button. If I click on it, I jump to this about page. Back to the editor, and let's delete this element and add an add to bag button. This is different from the first button. This is an add to bag button. You can link a product to it. Connect this button to a product on your online store. Let's add this one. from the general, you can edit this button text, you can edit the button style, and also the animation. Here, this add to back button element is useful if you want to create a sales page or a different product page, or with a design that you want. The next element is the gallery element. Click to edit this gallery images. Just click on this edit gallery button to select or to edit the gallery settings, like the grid type, the items per row, the gap between images, or what happens on after clicking on these gallery images. You can select between nothing or open full screen preview. Here you can even edit this gallery animation. And to edit the gallery photos, click on manage gallery, and you can add photos like this. After that, click on this X button or X icon, and your new photo is added here. Let's delete this gallery and add a video. This is how to add a video or a YouTube video to your website. Here, to edit this video, click on, this is the default one, click on this edit video button and fill in your YouTube link here. This is my YouTube video link, and after pasting it here, as you can see, it was instantly used here. Let's resize this YouTube video. Now let's see how to add a different element. This is a shape. Change shape. You can select between adding different shapes with animations. This shape can be used as a divider, or as section divider. You can use it like that below your section title. Let's preview this, and this is what it looks like live. Go back to the editor, delete it. You can even change this lines or dots color. Let's delete this and add a new element. This is a map element. Here, just click on edit map, search for your location here, for example Eiffel Tower, and you will select it and you will see it line here. And then you can resize this map like this. Let's delete this element and add a new one. You can even add an Instagram feed. Here you need to connect your Instagram to start seeing your latest image directly on your website. You can adjust the items or the photos in your feed. Delete, add. The next element is a contact form. Click on edit, and here you need to edit your form fields and also the email notifications. Yes, the email address that will receive email notifications after each submission. And here you can see your submissions list. Delete this element, and here you can use this subscribe element. Click on edit form. This is similar to the previous contact form element. This is a social icons, and the last two is the embed code. If you want to embed an HTML or a CSS code, you can add it here. Click on enter code, fill in your code here, and you will see the results there instantly. and product search. Here you can add this product search element to search your online store products. Click on edit search. You can edit the placeholder text and the no results text. You can edit the title and so on. One thing that I want to share with you, for each added element, you can edit its visibility for mobile and desktop separately. Let's say that this product search field, you want it only to be visible for mobile, for example. Just uncheck this option next to desktop. As you can see, now it's hidden and it will stay visible only for users or website visitors accessing your website from a mobile. This is, yes, I'm sure that this is available for all elements here. Just click on this little icon, eye icon, and set your visibility as you want it. And this is how to add sections and elements to design pages in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.